What's up, boot lovers? If you're looking to step up your cowboy boot game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're showcasing the top 7 exotic leather cowboy boots that are absolutely turning heads this year. We're talking Ostrich, Caiman, and Python leather, the real deal, so buckle up, and let's dive in. First up, we've got the kings of exotic leather, Ostrich boots. These beauties are known for their distinctive quill pattern and incredible durability. Number 7. ARIAT Men's Futurity Relentless Exotic Ostrich Western Boot with Square Toe. ARIAT never disappoints, and this square toe design brings that perfect blend of sophistication and ruggedness. Number 6. All General Men's Exotic Ostrich Leather Cowboy Boots. All General brings premium craftsmanship at an incredible value. These boots feature genuine ostrich leather with a classic Western silhouette. Now, let's talk about Caiman leather, the ultimate statement maker. These scales don't just look incredible, they're built to last a lifetime. Number 5. Cody James Men's Exotic Caiman Tail Skin Western Boot with Broad Square Toe. Cody James delivers with this stunning Caiman tail boot. The broad square toe gives you that modern Western look, while the exotic Caiman scales create an unforgettable texture. Number 4. Joe Boots JB706 Authentic Caiman Cowboy Boot for Men's Square Toe. Joe Boots brings authenticity and quality with this Caiman masterpiece. The square toe design offers comfort for all-day wear, and the genuine Caiman leather ages like fine wine. Number 3. All General Men's Exotic Caiman Belly Cowboy Boots. Back to All General with their Caiman Belly Boots. The belly cut showcases those beautiful, uniform scales that Caiman leather is famous for. The attention to detail is incredible, and the fit is spot on. Another winner from All General. And now, for the boldest of the bold, Python leather boots. If you want to make an entrance, Python is your go-to. Number 2. All General Men's Exotic Python Leather Cowboy Boots. All General strikes again with these show-stopping Python boots. The natural Python skin pattern is absolutely mesmerizing. No two pairs are exactly alike. These boots are for the confident cowboy who isn't afraid to stand out. Grab yours through the link below. And finally, number 1. CORRAL Men's Black Python Embroidery. Taking the top spot is CORRAL with their Black Python Embroidery boots. This is where art meets craftsmanship. The Python leather combined with intricate embroidery creates a boot that's truly one of a kind. These are investment pieces that'll be turning heads for decades. This is the exotic boot of 2025. There you have it, folks, the top 7 exotic cowboy boots of 2025. From ostrich to Caiman to Python, there's something here for every style. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all purchase links are in the description below. Until next time, keep those boots dusty and that style fresh.